Restoring a website is crucial for recovering from errors or unexpected issues. Hosting Your Website Builder provides automated daily backups, manual backup options, and version history to facilitate restoration. Backups are snapshots of your site's data, including pages, themes, and media. Versions are time-stamped saves after significant edits. A rollback is the process of reverting your entire site or specific pages to a previous state using a selected backup or version. Recent AI enhancements automate backup scheduling and anomaly detection, including predictive rollbacks that use site performance data to recommend optimal restore points. Restores are generally limited to the last 30 days for free plans and up to 1 year for premium plans. These backups are securely stored in the cloud. To restore your Hostinger website, first log into your Hostinger account and access the website builder. Navigate to the Settings section and find Backups and Versions. From the list of available backups and versions, select the one you want to restore. Preview the changes if possible to ensure it's the correct version. Click Restore or Rollback and confirm your action. The restoration process typically takes 5 to 15 minutes, and downtime is usually minimal, especially if you're using a staging environment. Remember, Hostinger has implemented security upgrades like end-to-end encryption and two-factor authentication for rollback actions. But it's always wise to test restores in a staging environment before applying them to your live site. Note that manual intervention may be required for large-scale migrations from other builders, though automated tools have greatly reduced this time.